Hey YouTube, it's Andrew, the Bearded Giant. Here's the bench I made. I'm gonna bring it over to Amy, my girlfriend's house. It's really heavy. I really worked out trying to carry that from the back to the front yard. It's 6 feet long, 3-inch thick slab on the bottom, inch slab for the back. I welded up the base, built brackets for the back piece, and put it all together. The metal's all scrap pieces I had left over from other projects, but it turned out pretty nice. So let me show you what it's going to look like over at Amy's house in her backyard.
Oh, there's my new bench. Thank you, Andrew.
What do you think of your bench, Amy?
I love it.
Nice.
Makes my backyard feel like a park. Hopefully that means people won't come and try to sleep on the bench.
And that's a good idea. All right. Thanks. Peace out.